fill in that one spot. Yeah, like a gaping tooth.
That's the problem. No one ever told me that.
That was a good shot. Bingo. Take a look at this. Yep. You shot that thing dead in the middle. And blew it to smithereens. Deadeye, or Annie Oak.